Hello dear, how are you? Today we will prepare a very simple and easy presentation. Okay, we will learn in this presentation how to use the PowerPoint, how to add the slides, and how to make it very simple presentation. Okay, so here press the start button and PowerPoint. Then we will choose the blank presentation. Okay, so first slide is open. Here we have to type the title of the presentation. Okay, so first presentation. Okay, if you have spelling mistake, just right click and correct the spellings. It's done. Next we have to write the who prepared this presentation. Like we will mention the student name is equal to Ali. Okay, so now it is prepared. First slide, and we have to make it attractive, so we will select the text by the mouse. Okay, then for text format, okay, here you can choose which format you like. Okay, we'll select this. Okay, and similar we can change the size and text color. Okay, so here we will use the blue color, then select bottom text and also change the color red. Okay, so text are done. Then now we have to change the background of the presentation because only blank. Okay, so we will go to design. Okay, here all the backgrounds are came. Select the background whichever you like it. Okay, I will choose this. Okay, then we have to add another slide. Okay, just right click on the first slide in the left side and add new slide. Okay, new slide is came, and here we have to type the title of the slide. We'll mention cat. Okay, this is the title, and here we have to insert the picture of cat. There are two ways to add the picture. One you should have on your desktop, another is go to through online. Okay, so we will choose the second method. Okay, you have to click on insert on the top. Okay, then picture, then online pictures. Okay, so this online page is open. Here just type cat and enter. Okay, so beautiful cats pictures are came. Here you can choose the picture what you want to present in your slide. Select first one and insert. Okay, so it is came already, and then we have to resize. Just use your mouse and expand right, left, up, down. Okay, so it's done. Okay, then we have to add another slide. Right click on the second slide, which is on the left side of the presentation. Okay, so new slide is added. Here you can whatever you want. I will type dog, and then I have to insert the picture of the dog. We will use same method like before. Okay, here we have to type dog and enter. Okay, so many picture came, and choose whatever you want. Okay, I will choose this one. Okay, then same practice, just expand the size which will be fit on the slide. Okay, 3 slides are completed, and now we have to add the final slide. Okay, this is an usually thank you page. Okay, so no need to write the title, remove it by click by mouse and then press the delete button, and then type here thank you. Okay, select the text and resize it. Also you can change the color. Okay, then we have to make it in center. So from upside, use the center line, then just click your mouse before the text and press the enter. Okay, so it came in the center. So our presentation is completed. This was just simple presentation just to explain for the beginner. So we will see our slides 1 2 3 4, our slides are okay. So this is then we will move to the final step of saving. Okay, go to file, then save. Okay, save as, and choose the folder where you want to save. Then it present my first presentation, it already got the name. Okay, I selected the desktop, then save it. Okay, so it's done. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.